Okay, so we are doing ratio and proportion, and we have done it. Have we completed the exercise? Ratio and
Sir,
proportion.
please wait. I am checking.
No, I think we have done till question number 6. Am I right? We have done till question 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to start question number 6.
No, I think we have done.
No, we are completed.
We have done question 6. I remember.
I think, sir, it was our homework.
Sorry. I gave you question number 5 in homework. And
Yes, sir. I think the sixth one was in homework.
नहीं बेटा नहीं बात सुनो. I did the 6th one, but I gave you the 5th one in homework. Okay. I think you have written the question number wrong. That one is question number 6. Question number
Yes,
5
sir. Yes,
is
sir.
तुम्हारी कॉपी भी ना देख के मैंने बता दिया. Let's wait for 1 minute. Let's see if some more students are joining or not. And after 1 minute, they will be starting. Okay. Till then, you all can take out your notebooks, books and notebooks, everyone.
Sir, taken out.
What do you all?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the median chapter and the last exercise, sir, we will done only the mode part. We will be not getting the numerical part, sir.
In chapter number 21, are you talking about chapter which chapter was it? Chapter 18 or 20? कौन सा था वो?
So 21, sir.
The last exercise, mode wali jo exercise. There you have to
Yes,
find
sir.
or do questions in the book only. Just find the value of mode, nothing else.
Okay, sir. So nothing will come, sir. Mode के अलावा कुछ नहीं आएगा ना, sir?
From the last exercise, you have to find only mode.
Okay, sir. Exams में भी यही, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So what do you all do before 9 a.m. before the classes start?
Sir, just wake up and doing some chais.
No, that was expected. Anyone else does something different? सब एक जैसे ही हैं. बस
कैसे पता करता है?
Sir, what?
I'm asking what do you all do before 9 a.m. when the class will start in the morning at 9? Before that, what you do?
Sir, I wake up at 7 o'clock and I used to run till 7 to 9.
What, you wake up at 7 and then you go to run? You do
Yes, sir.
running
Daily.
for how much time?
2 hours.
2 hours you do running. Ayush, you do
Yes, sir.
running for
Seriously, not.
seriously you do running for 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
Arey, so
100
how
rounds
much,
of house.
so how much distance is that?
I don't know that.
Have you ever calculated how much distance do you cover in 2 hours?
No, sir.
I also go for running before the classes start.
Sir, I run and jog both.
I also
After completing 100 rounds, I used to walk.
Sir, I wake up at 6 and run till and exercise till 7 o'clock and then again sleep.
very good. That is good if you are doing
Sir,
it.
exercise का फायदा क्या हुआ फिर?
nahin, it's good that you are doing the exercises, but it will be better if you wake up at a little late and then do some exercises and don't go for sleep. That will be better. So I also go for running. I do running for at least matlab, nearly half an hour. Running for half an hour, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. That's it. So and then in the evening I go for cycling also. So, anyone else? और ये बाकी सारे जो हैं मतलब वो बस सो के उठते हैं और क्लास अटेंड करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Okay, let's start.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will start from question number 7.
Yes.
Question 7, exercise 8A. Question number 7.
Sir, too easy.
Divide rupees 360 between Kamal and Mohit in the ratio 7:8. Kamal's share मान लेते हैं 7x, 7:8 ratio में divide करना है. So Kamal's share, let Kamal's share be 7x.
Kamal money will be 7x.
And
Mohit be
Mohit's
8x.
share.
Sir, actually, sir, there is sir Kunal and Mohit.
Kunal है, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
सर कमल सर नेक्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में है.
Okay. तो मुझे वही याद आ गया. Kunal and Mohit. ज़्यादा जल्दी जल्दी लग रहा है मैंने. Kunal's share be 7x and Mohit's share be 8x. Now 7x plus 8x is equal to rupees 360. So
360,
the
sir.
money, if you add Kamal's share and Mohit's share, this will give you the total amount, which is 360.
360 sir.
So it is a equation which you have similar equations you have made in the chapter linear equations also. That is why I told you that chapter is very important. So here 15x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 upon 15. So x is equal to 2, 4, 24. The value of x is 24. Now you find the share of both. Kunal का share कितना होगा?
Sir 7 multiplied by 24.
Yes. Find करिए अपने आप. Write the answer.
Sir 168. Sir Kunal share is 168.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Mine is also coming same.
Sir Mohit share is 192.
Correct, correct. Both.
So Kunal is 168 and Mohit is 192.
Sir, Kunal's share is 168 and Mohit's share is 192.
Correct. Very good.
Sir,
Okay,
we
now,
should move to next question.
yes, now let's start with question number 8. It is very similar. The only difference is that the ratio is given in fractions. Matlab both the terms of the ratio are given in fractions. No problem. We have understood how to
That
convert
doesn't matter.
to write the ratio in simplest form. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं.
Sir, same formula we will use.
Yeah, same method, but first we will convert the ratio in simplest form.
Yes, sir. So the LCM will be sir 30.
Yes. 1/5 ratio 1/6. So LCM, you will find out LCM of 5 and 6, which is equal to 30. Multiply both the terms of the ratio by 30 by the LCM. 1/5 को भी 30 से multiply कर दिया, 1/6 को भी 30 से multiply कर दिया. Okay. So here you get 6 after simplifying, and here you will get 5. So 6 ratio 5. It is. So Rajan's share. Rajan's share equals to 6x and Kamal's share is equal to 5x. Okay. Solve the question now. The rest of the thing is same. Do it on your own.
Sir, I can't understand this question.
अरे क्या हुआ बेटा बताओ.
Sir,
What
1/5 will be multiplied by 6.
1/5. Sorry.
So 1/5 will multiply by 6.
मतलब
So 1/5 will be
I
multiplied by
told you
6.
that day. I told you how to convert a ratio in simplest form. क्या method है उसका? If there are two terms in the ratio and both the terms are in fraction, you find the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators here? 5 and 6. You find the LCM of the denominator. So it is 30. Multiply both the terms
Yes,
by
sir.
the LCM now. Now you multiply both the terms by LCM. 1/5 multiplied by 30 and 1/6 multiplied by 30. 1/5 multiplied by 30 is equal
Yes, sir.
to
Yes, sir. It will come, sir.
and now it is 5. So now Rajan's share is 6x, Kamal's share is 5x. Okay. 6x or 5x हो गया. Now you do the rest of the part. Make an equation. 6x plus 5x equals to 880.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir,
Sir,
I am
X-
doing, sir.
Sir, X is equal to 80 and Rajan's age will be 480 and Kamal age will be 400.
Age or amount? Amount, not age. Okay.
Sir, Rajan's share is 480 and Kamal's share is 400.
Correct. So Rajan's share rupees 480 and Kamal's share rupees 400.
Raj. Sir, Rajan share is 480 and Kamal share is 400.
Correct. Okay, next question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. Here there are 3 people. You have to divide rupees
Same, sir.
5,600 between A, B and C in the ratio 1:3:4. So तीनों का share आप मान लेंगे 1x, 3x and 4x. Very similar to this question and the last question. So again you will do it on your own. Start doing it. I'm giving you 2 minutes to find the answer.
Okay, sir.
Only 2
Okay,
minutes.
sir. Sir, find. Sir, done the question.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir, A का share है sir 700.
Correct.
Sir, B का है sir 2100.
Correct.
Sir, C का है sir 2800.
Correct.
Sir, find it.
Sir, I am done. Sir, x is equal to 70. 3x
Sir,
is
A
equal
is equal to 700
to 2100. 4x
and
is
B is
equal
equal
to
to 2100 and C is equal to 2800.
Very good. All of you are correct. Very good.
Sir, we have done in till 2 minutes, sir.
Excellent. Outstanding. Marvelous. Terrific. Amazing.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we
Sorry? क्या करे बेटा? ये मार्कर को थोड़ी सी भूख लगी है, प्यास लगी है, एक्चुअली भूख नहीं लगी।
Sir, A's share is 700 and B's share is 2100 and C's share is 2800.
Excellent. Correct answer. Okay, question number 10. What number must be added to each term of the ratio 9:16 to make the ratio 2:3? एक रेशियो है, आपको 9:16 रेशियो दिया हुआ है, इसमें दोनों टर्म्स में मैं क्या ऐड करूं? What number must be added to each term of the ratio 9:16 so that the ratio becomes 2:3? Question number 10. So 9 is to let x be added. Okay. Let x be added to each term. अब यहाँ पर ये कह रहे हैं 9:16 था रेशियो. ओरिजिनली द रेशियो वाज 9:16 ये था. ओके, यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं इफ अ नंबर इज एडेड इन each of the term. 9 में भी x ऐड कर दिया, 16 में भी x ऐड कर दिया. Then the new ratio, this is the new ratio, this becomes equals to 2:3. 2:3 के इक्वल बन गया. Getting my point or not?
Sir, get it.
Question is clear. In each of the term of the ratio 9:16, 9:16 में क्या करा, दोनों terms में 9 में भी x ऐड कर दिया, 16 में भी x ऐड कर दिया. So this is the new ratio now. This becomes equal to 2:3. Okay, this is the new ratio. Now you can solve this equation. First to convert this in fraction, both the sides.
Yes, sir.
9 plus x upon 16 plus x is equals to 2/3. Cross multiply. 9 plus x into 3. 2 into 16 plus x. Okay. Cross multiply. नाम की चीज सुनी हुई है, वही करा है. 9 into 3 27 plus 3x.
Sir, 27 upon 32.
32 plus 2x upon क्यों आएगा बेटा? 3x minus 2x equals to 32 minus 27 minus x equals to 5. क्या ऐड करेंगे? 5 ऐड कर लेंगे. रेशियो 2:3 बन जाएगा. क्लियर? बताइए. नहीं आया?
अच्छा सर, इसमें सर लीनियर इक्वेशन का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई हुआ है.
हाँ. When I was teaching you linear equations, I told you about this, that linear equations is a very, very important chapter. Now, even in this class, you will be using it in many of the chapters, and even in your higher classes, in almost every chapter, you will be using the concepts of linear equations. Okay.
Sir, we have to find only x.
हाँ, x निकालना था.
Okay, sir.
What should be added? X equals to 5. So 5 should be added to each term. बस यही पूछना है. Question 11 is similar. You can try this in homework. What number must be subtracted? पूछना है यहाँ पर. तो 17 minus x, 33 minus x, सेम इसी तरीके से इक्वेशन बना लेंगे. 17 minus x ratio 33 minus x equals to 7 ratio 15. Okay.
Sir,
I
7.
hope you
Sir,
all
12
can
also same.
do this on your own. 12th is a little different. I will make you do it. I will tell you how to do it. Okay. 12th one. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:11. If 7 is added to each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 2:3. Find the numbers. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें और क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. कैसे डिफरेंस है? यहाँ पर दो नंबर्स का रेशियो बता रहे हैं 7:11. So we are adding 7 to each number, not to the each term of the ratio. समझ में आ रही है? What is the difference between question 10 and question 12? It
Yes,
looks
sir.
very similar, but there is a difference. हमने 7
Yes, sir.
रेशियो की दोनों टर्म्स में ऐड नहीं कराया. We have added 7 to the numbers. तो नंबर को पहले अज्यूम कर लेंगे 7x and 11x. Question number 12. Have you all done this? I hope you all have done this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 11 is homework. Okay. Question 12, sorry. Question 11 is homework. 12th one. So there are two numbers whose ratio is 7:11. So let the numbers be 7x and 11x. Let the numbers be 7x and 11x. Now, if 7 is added to each of the number, the ratio becomes 2:3. So 7x plus 7 फर्स्ट नंबर में ऐड कर दिया, सेकंड नंबर में भी 7 ऐड कर दिया, 11x plus 7.
और सर सब में प्लस करना है 7.
हाँ जी, दोनों नंबर्स में 7 ऐड करना है. नाउ द रेशियो ऑफ द टू नंबर्स. अब ये फर्स्ट नंबर और सेकंड नंबर का रेशियो, दिस बिकम्स what? 2:3. This is equal to 2:3. Got it? The equation is
सेम
clear?
थिंग.
No, it is not the same thing. वहां पर हम 7
सर
में
x को प्लस कर रहे थे, तो यहाँ पे हम 7 को प्लस कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. We here we
Sir,
are
बाकी
adding
सब तो
7
same ही
to the
था.
numbers, not to the terms of the ratio. Ratio की terms में 7 ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. We are adding 7 to the numbers. Number क्या है यहाँ पर? 7x और 11x. तो दोनों में हम 7 ऐड कर रहे हैं. Then we have found the ratio, which is equal to 2:3. The new ratio. Okay. Little different. 7x plus 7 upon
Yes, sir, understood.
plus 7 equals to 2/3. Cross multiply. 3 into 7x plus 7 equals to 2 into 11x plus 7. 21x plus 21 equals to 22x plus 14. 21 minus 14 equals to 22x minus 21x. 7 equals to x. X की value 7 आ गई. Add the, sorry, put the value of x in both the numbers. So first number will be 7x, that is 7 into 7, 49. Second number 11x, 11 into 7, 77. These are the two numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
I hope you all are able to understand my writing. I apologize.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर 3 साल से पढ़ रहे हैं सर.
Very well. It is one of the, it has been awarded, you know, for being
Yes, sir, awarded.
for being one of the worst handwritings in the world.
Sir, awarded Guinness World of Record.
इतनी तो अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग है, कंफर्टेबल समझ भी आ रही है. अब इसे वर्स्ट तो नहीं बोलेंगे.
It is one of the worst. That is your
सर ये
kindness.
आपके हिसाब से वर्स्ट, हमारे लिए तो बेस्ट.
That is your humbleness and kindness that you are finding it. You're not
Sir,
finding
if you see my handwriting in maths, my handwriting will like a cockroach dip in the ink and go to the paper. Sir, mine is worse than you, sir.
मतलब मेरी बेकार तो है ही कम से कम. चलो
नहीं सर, आपकी ज्यादा अच्छी, मेरी उससे भी बेकार है सर.
सर उसका मतलब ये है जितनी आपकी अच्छी है ना, बस
उतनी
उससे
उसकी
बेकार
खराब,
है.
ये मतलब है. ये तो ये you all are, देखो दो बातें हो सकती हैं. The first thing is that you all are very humble. You all are very kind and humble that you are speaking like this. And second option ये हो सकता है that ये सब मेरे पे आप लोग अमूल बटर लेके बैठे हैं और वहां से फेंक करके.
नहीं सर, अमूल बटर आप पे कभी नहीं लगाया सर. सर आप उस पे सर काबू भी नहीं कर, सर आप उस पे मतलब काबू भी कर लेते थे सर. सर स्कूल में याद आया सर.
हाँ हाँ याद है.
हाँ सर, आदित्य नारायण को सर आपने कैसे पीटा था.
अरे ऐसी बातें नहीं करते.
नहीं सर, नहीं पीटा था सर आपने.
हाँ सर, ही हमने आदित्य को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से पीटा था.
अरे 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 बेटा कैसी बातें करते हो.
सर उसने इतना अमूल घी लगाया, बटर साथ में.
बस बेटा बस 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 बस
जरा बस में बिल्कुल नहीं आए उसके साथ।
चली है
बस बेटा,
चुप हो
बस
जा।
ऐसी बातें नहीं करते बेटा, ऐसी बातें नहीं करते। प्यार में ही कहा होगा कुछ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ठीक है। So let's move on to question number, हमने कर लिया 12 तक कर लिया। 13th is
13
of
sir.
the same logic is there in question number 13, so you all will try.
Sir, just subtracting them.
एडिशन की जगह सब्ट्रैक्शन हो गया क्वेश्चन 13 में, so you try this in homework. Okay, next is question
Okay, sir.
14. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Their LCM is 180. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Question 14 करते हैं।
Sir, I can't understand the question also, 14th one.
No problem. I'm there.
Sir, 4 और 3 का तो LCM sir 12 होता है।
नहीं बेटा, मैं समझाता हूँ। So first of all, let the numbers be 3x and 4x. Question number 14. Let the numbers be 3x and 4x. दो numbers हैं, दोनों का ratio 3:4 given था, so we have assumed that the numbers are 3x and 4x. Is it clear? दो numbers का ratio 3:4 है, so दोनों numbers को 3x और 4x मान लेते हैं। Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now it is given that LCM of these two numbers, LCM of these two numbers, इन दोनों numbers का LCM 3x and 4x, this is given 180. The LCM is given equals to 180. So we will use this LCM to find the values of the numbers. Okay. कैसे यूज करेंगे? LCM निकालना सबको आता है? अगर मैं चेक याद दिला दूं मैं LCM कैसे निकालते हैं? I'm giving you an example.
Sir, एक line
Write this
खींचते हैं।
example. Don't write this example in your notebook. I am just telling you how to find the LCM of two numbers. देखिए यहाँ पर. If I write two
Sir,
numbers
3.
12 and 15, okay. So what you will do? You will divide it by 2 first. Common factor से
Yes,
divide
sir.
करेंगे। Common factor क्या है?
Sir,
12
6 15 आ जाएगा sir.
3 is
Sir,
the
नीचे 6 और
common
15 आ
prime
जाएगा।
number which can divide both the numbers. 3, ये 4 हो गया, ये 5 हो गया। Now, और
तो
there is
फिर
no
2.
other, there is no other common factor, so divide it by 2, 2, 5, 5 को 2 से divide नहीं कर सकते, so 5 ऐसे copy कर देंगे। Then again
फिर
divide
2
it by
sir.
1, 5.
1 और 5 आ जाएगा sir.
Finally you
और से
divide
फिर
it by
sir 5.
5. So when you multiply all these numbers, LCM क्या हो जाता है? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. ऐसे निकालते हैं। Do you all know how to find the LCM?
3 2 6.
Anji, am I right or not? So you don't have to write
Yes,
this in
sir.
your notebook. This is just a revision how to find the LCM. This concept I will be using to do this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
देखिए कैसे यूज करता हूँ मैं। So 3x and 4x. These are the numbers in the LCM. First of all, what is the common factor in both the numbers? Both the numbers are divisible by x. दोनों numbers को मैं x से divide कर सकता हूँ. So this will
तो सर
become
3 3 आ जाएगा नीचे। 3 और 4 आ जाएगा सर।
3, 4.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then you can divide it by 2. 3, 2. Again divide it by 2. 3, 1. And then finally divide it by 3. 1, 1. Okay. So LCM यहाँ से क्या निकला? LCM equals to 3 into 2 into 2
X
into x.
multiply by 2.
X into 2 into 2 into 3. This is equals to 12x. And the LCM is already given. LCM is already given 180. So 12x equals to 180. This is the equation, required equation मिल गई. X equals to 180 upon 12, 15. X की value आ गई 15. Now you find both the numbers. First number,
Sir, please get aside.
Beta, just a minute. 3x. So 45 is the first number. Second number 4x. So this is 60. These are the numbers. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताइए. LCM 12x आ गया यहाँ से देखिए, and the LCM is given. 12x is equals to 180. This is given. LCM. 12x equals to 180. X की value 15 आ गई. Simple. Now you put the value of x in both the cases.
45
55 and 60 are the answers. Clear or not?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot. The meeting is about to end.
Sir, done. Sir, screenshot की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी.
Very good. Others, those who have not done, they can take a screenshot quickly.
Sir, done.
Very good. Have you all taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir. Done.